Hi, I'm Damaris from Berlitz, Canada.
My name is Yuri, and I'm finally on vacation, and I could not be happier.
This morning, I opened my fridge and found nothing inside.
I was starving, so I went out to find something to eat.
Luckily, there is a bakery nearby. I'm getting a warm cinnamon bun and a hot coffee.
After a walk around the city, where everything looks so pretty,
There's music street and people laughing everywhere.
it feels like anything is possible today. Maybe I'll visit a museum or take a boat ride later. Who knows?
When you travel, there's always something exciting to do. Can you use something, anything, nothing, and everything to describe your next trip?